Hello, this is how you can use nested collections on Widgion. Widgion allows you to categorize your help center articles into categories, and those categories can also have subcategories to make sure that the articles are well aligned. So the first thing you have to do is when you log into your account and you open your projects, then you go to the help center, you click on create collection, enter a collection title, let's name it beginners. Click on save category. We already have a collection, so inside the collection you click on it and then you click on the add content button and create a new category under it. So let's say module 1, then you save the category. So it becomes this folder. You start seeing this folder button because it's a folder. So within this folder, this is where you're going to have articles. So to write this, you just click on it again. So no content here. Then you click on add content and click on create new article. So let's just do article 1. Then you save. So creating a nested article is that easy. The main goal is to ensure that your readers find helpful articles on time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.